Hello friends, welcome to back my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas and cutest and stylish ideas, beautiful and perfect, fantastic and good looking ideas, cutest ideas and stylish crochet bedsheet designs and ideas about your home decorated your room decoration with beautiful crochet bed sheets. It's too much impressive and fantastic ideas, crochet bed sheets designs. Some are beautiful heavy designs, some are simple and light designs. Our crochet collection crochet bed sheets designs with cushions, with beautiful pillows and with beautiful blankets. My dear friend, you can see in this video very amazing and very perfect ideas, fantastic and cutest ideas and stylish ideas, beautiful, perfect, fantastic bedsheet designs. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. It's all our amazing and fantastic bedsheet designs in crochet collection. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. It's all our amazing and highly requested ideas and stylish ideas, top trending fashion, top stylish fashion, crochet bed sheets. Some are red color, beautiful white color, black color, green color, skin color, pink color and many more color also about beautiful crochet bed sheets. So please, if you are watching first time my video, then I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. It's all amazing and fantastic and cutest ideas and stylish ideas, top trending fashion, crochet bed sheet designs. It's too much impressive and attractive and eye-catching ideas about crochet bed sheets. Too much beautiful, prettiest ideas, prettiest designs. I can also make this with my hands because it's too much simple and easy pattern, crochet bed sheet designs. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. Okay guys, now I have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. See you again till the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.